Books with Python Bootcamp at Nucamp. This project is a potential backend for an e-commerce website, and I use Django to make this project. This is the structure of the project. So I got the virtual environment, I got the field store too. This is the main project, and inside of it I create apps, a like app, I create a main app, I create static file, a static folder, sorry, and I create a store app. Here is the model for the store app, and I got also model for each of the application. This is the link for the Google Cloud platform. So this is the main page. If I click on see all products, I got the list of I will get the list of product. So as you see, I just click on it, and right now I got our product list back home, and each product I create will be a part of this screen. So here you say product number 2, and this is a card using Bootstrap. I'm communicating directly with GCP. So as you can see, if I can, this is the collection. If I send a get request for the collection like this, as you can see, I got 3 collections already on the web on my database, and also I can get collection by ID if I want the ID number 3. Send it. As you can see, it's running, and voila. Also, I can post a collection, and to do so it's quite easy. Let's say I create a Nucamp collection here, and I got 400 product in collection, and if I click send, and as you can see, I can have oh, here, this is the collection. Let's take all the collection right now and refresh. We see ID 4 Nucamp and production product in collection 400. I can also modify a collection. Let's say that I want to modify the collection number 2, or the collection I just add, like the Nucamp one, ID 4. Let's say it's number 4, and instead of Nucamp on the go, let's say Nucamp on fire, and send the request. As you can see, the ID 4, I got Nucamp on fire. So if I go there and send another get request, and for the ID 4, I got title Nucamp on fire. So we can also delete a request by ID. Let's delete the second one, okay, and send it right now, and collection cannot be deleted because the collection is was creating and have connection with a product. That's why I can delete it. So let's try to delete collection number 4 and send it. Okay, reading, it's running. Message collection delete successful. And if I go for the collection right now and send a request, and the collection number 4 was deleted. That's okay for the collection. And let's do the same thing using the product. This is the same link for GCP, and let's send this request. So we can just again verify it to see. So let's go there, and as you can see, Yardley fashion 75. Now if I send this post request, it was successfully added, as you can see here. Okay, and let's see if it's work. Let's go to our GCP link and refresh the page. As you can see, I got product number 3, and get ready for the backend bootcamp. Let's try Python backend and send this to the server as a post request, and let's go here and refresh our page. I got another one, the product number 4 that was added. Let's go for this because this is the new one, product number 3. So let's copy it and go put request. We're gonna change this right away. Let's go to the endpoint / store product number 3 to get the product by ID, and Python backend for everyone. Let's say for everyone, and set the request, and it's work. ID number 3. This is it. So let's go to the endpoint. Let's go to the website. Okay, and refresh it. We just changed the number 3. Get ready for the backend. And if I change it right now, I got Python backend for everyone and with the price and the text. So let's try to delete the product number 4. And this is also the link for the GCP, and send it. So the message was product successfully deleted. So I delete the number 3. So if I go there and refresh the page, and voila. Oh, number 4, yeah. Oh yeah, this is it, number 4. And voila. So everything works perfectly. Thank you for watching, and keep coding.